I'm a student at Virginia Tech. I heard about Textron and I was really looking for places in Texas, which really drew me to Bell specifically. I'm working in technology and innovation with the certification group on streamlining review and acceptance of the conformity packages. The greatest thing I've learned so far working with Bell is actually understanding what it's like working with FAA regulations. We can make the coolest, fastest, whatever you want aircraft, but you still have to really focus on how is it going to be in the air, how are we going to produce it, how can we get it to the customer. They've really allowed me to build kind of a web. I kind of talked with a few of the interns that I had made networking and said, hey, why don't we kind of put together a team? And now we're in the process of running through the entire engineering cycle for creating this game to teach 7th and 8th graders about STEM. Anytime something new has come up, you can go pull up a video and they show you that. I'm Joel Owen and I'm part of the internship program here at Bell Helicopter.